Modern platform complexity has reached a point where standard convenience features are creating direct security risks for the end user. We are analyzing 4 specific risk vectors today: AI platforms exposing private data, the exploitation of user-generated content, the breakdown of digital ownership, and how corporate entities are positioning themselves within these shaky ecosystems. Because platform accountability is lagging behind these technical vulnerabilities, users must adopt a more defensive approach to digital infrastructure. Sensitive medical and corporate Claude AI conversations are currently appearing in Google and Bing search results. Anthropic's sharing architecture creates unauthenticated URLs. This means any shared link is functionally public, allowing anyone to view the full chat history without a login. The exposure follows a predictable technical pipeline. A user generates a shareable URL and posts it to a forum or social media site, effectively publishing that private data to the open web. Once the link is live, search engine crawlers discover it on the public forum and index the content at the destination URL, making sensitive documents discoverable via a simple search. Until platforms build more granular permissions into these sharing tools, users should avoid link sharing for any sensitive AI interactions. In the gaming sector, the ease of producing high-fidelity AI content has turned community platforms into a vector for scams. Right now, we are seeing a proliferation of AI-generated Grand Theft Auto 6 gameplay videos designed to harvest engagement. The financial incentives drive this volume. While generating 30 seconds of fake footage costs roughly $5 in compute credits, the resulting viral views can generate thousands in ad revenue, a massive return for low-effort fabrication. This exploitation of community trust is also being used to distribute malware. Security researchers have identified a campaign called Mecha, hiding malicious code inside custom Steam Workshop maps for Counter-Strike 2. The infection occurs when the map file is loaded. The game executes a hidden payload that bypasses many standard antivirus scans to connect with a remote command and control server. This connection allows the attackers to hijack the user's hardware for background cryptocurrency mining while simultaneously stealing browser passwords and session cookies. Because platforms prioritize engagement metrics over verifying authenticity, users must treat all community-created content with a zero-trust mindset. Beyond user content, cloud-dependent licensing has created a single point of failure for digital ownership. During a recent 20-hour Xbox outage, a failure in a third-party licensing service prevented millions of users from playing games they had already paid for and installed, as the consoles could not reach the cloud for ownership verification. With an estimated $20 million in lost revenue, this incident shows that digital libraries are effectively service-dependent rentals rather than permanent assets. While consumers deal with these service dependencies, platform owners are toward more controlled hardware cycles. Nintendo's successor to the Switch is currently advancing through the ratings board, pointing toward a Q1 2027 launch window. In the financial sector, Bitmine is also prioritizing control over speculation. They recently added 10,000 Ethereum to their treasury, focusing on yield-bearing assets that generate millions in staking income, regardless of market volatility. These trends reveal a growing disparity. While consumer access is increasingly tied to fragile cloud services, corporate treasuries and platform holders are securing more predictable revenue streams through proprietary hardware and yield-focused digital assets. Platform convenience features have outpaced the security structures meant to protect them. Managing these risks requires a deliberate shift toward user-level vigilance. Limit the use of public sharing features, verify the source of all user-generated content, and recognize that digital ownership is currently a service-dependent privilege. In a flawed infrastructure, your personal security protocol is the only reliable safeguard.